This Bitcoin scalping strategy has made me over $5,000 in the last week alone, and it's this simple. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're on the 5-minute time frame here for Bitcoin. Then you want to click over to the indicators tab right here, and you want to search FVG. And you want to scroll down until you find the FVG Instantaneous Mitigation Signals by Luxalgo here. Once you add this indicator, it should look a little something like this. Now, what we want to identify first is the trend, and we can see that the trend is moving up and that we've gone into this period of consolidation right here. The next thing we want to have a look at is these two signals here, the green arrow and the green line. As you can see here, we've just gotten a green arrow and a green line, and this is how the trading strategy works using this indicator. The first thing you want to do is once you get a green buy signal, you want to place a trend line at the very bottom of this candle. Now, what we're waiting for is price to break below this trend line that we've just placed at the bottom of this candle, and then for price to break above this line. And as soon as price breaks above this line, we want to enter our long position. So now we're watching price to see, as soon as price breaks down to this level, we want to see a reclaim, and that's as soon as we enter our trade. Okay, price has broken down, and now we have our reclaim already. So this is how this trading strategy works. Our entry is right here, where price is at the moment, and our stop loss is this green trailing line. And our upside target of this trade is going to be a 3 risk to reward ratio trade. So right there, we have a 3 R&R. Now let's see how this trade plays out. And just like that, in 40 minutes, you've just won your first 3 R&R trade. Now let's wait for another signal to see if we can take a trade based on this same rule structure. Now we've just gotten another buy signal here on Bitcoin on the 5-minute. So we're going to use the same rules that we used last time on this trading strategy. At the very bottom of the candle that we get the buy signal, we're going to place our trend line like so. And now we're going to wait for price to break down below this trend line and then reclaim it, and that's going to give us our entry. Just like that, we've had our breakdown, and now we've had price break above, and it's currently back below the trend line, but the signal's given, and we're going to enter the trade right here. So our stop loss, just like last time, is this green line following the trend here. And again, we're targeting a 3R risk to reward. Now this might look like a massive trade, however, it is the risk to reward ratio that makes this trading strategy highly profitable. So let's see how this plays out. And bang, just like that, take profit hit yet again using this trading strategy. Feel free to go and backtest this trading strategy yourself. It works best when Bitcoin is in an uptrend. Here's just 2 examples I've taken in the last week that have made me 3 R&R on both trades in a row. Stay tuned if you want to see how we can take shorts using this strategy.